Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my pre-market predictions for Nifty using Elliott wave theory. So before we get into this analysis, this is my disclaimer. Read carefully. So let's move on to SGX Nifty first, then Nifty. Afterwards, one stock for investment stock. So on Thursday, what we discussed about this is we are in the fourth wave. It seems like fourth wave, and it could be making a triangle or a regular flat corrections. And later onwards, one more high is possible, and the maximum resistance zone is the 17,600, and we are getting rejected in that zone. So now, what it may happen in that Monday or coming this week. So far it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So whether this is the right structure for that SGX Nifty, and if you look into the 15-minute chart also, we already broken this high here, and it looks like a three-way structure, and again the three-way structure. So this could be the correction part for the fourth wave in the irregular flat formation, and that one more fifth wave is also already dead. So whether this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or in as per the Nifty, it is not yet broken the high and not yet broken the low. So what I'm expecting here is, if it did like such a three-way structure here, so this could be A, B, C, D, E. So then this could be a triangle, and then one more high is also possible. So at that time, in this Nifty also, SGX Nifty, it can drop like this, the same three-way structure. So whether this could be the A, B and C. So this is the A, so this whole thing becomes a B and one more C. So later onwards this becomes the fourth way structure, and one more high is also possible. So this is my view. So what will be the next, if after once the 5 waves is completed here, what will be the next structure what we are expecting? So as I informed that previous itself, in that 4-hour chart, we are expected from here and the equidistant channel 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are expecting the fifth wave. And what I informed that whether it is not looking like an impulsive wave, so it is forming only the three-way structures here. So that means still we are in that fourth wave. That is the question mark here. If that fourth wave is still ahead, that means the fourth wave is not yet completed. So this is one of the correction part is dead. So what will be the next means, either this could be the bigger picture, it could be the triangle, or after the once the completed the triangle, it can shoot from here for the fifth wave for my target of 19,500, near to that. Otherwise, if it is keep on doing, it may break the high. Later onwards, one more three-way structure for the irregular flat formation, and then one more high is also possible. So anyway, this is the invalidation zone as of now. It exactly bounced from this equidistant channel, and that is the fourth wave. So we may look, if it is a bigger triangle, it will take more than 2 to 3 months also, because from this point October 19th, and this is happened in the 29th of November, so it took 1 month here. So like that, it may take a minimum 2 to 3 months to complete the structure if it is a triangle in the fourth wave. Otherwise, if it is a irregular flat also, it will take more than 1 month. So we will wait and see, because it is not looking like an impulsive wave here in this what we started. So that is the bigger picture now. So what will be the in the 15 minutes if we zoom in? So once this three-way structure is got completed in the W, X and Y, so that means the bigger flat correction is the ABC is a A, ABC is a B and one C. So this one structure, that means this structure is got completed. Now for this structure we need a connecting wave. So again it may retested this it may retest this 17,300 also. So afterwards, once the three-way structure is completed, I'm expecting this to reach that 18,200. And this is the December year end. So maybe it's a little bit low volume consolidation because FIN also for the Christmas holiday is ahead, Christmas and New Year. So all the markets may be slow down. So this is my view for SGX Nifty. So once this view, it could be at the 17,300, or it could be a deeper correction, means it can reach up to that again the 17,200 also, and we'll took again this trend line, the equidistant channel, as a support, and again it can be a bounce also. And if it is moving higher from here itself, once again I will hide this, from here itself it is not consolidating, only the three-way structure, and then if it is going higher to the 18,200 also possible, because if this is a W or ABC ABC and C is that this could be the wave 1 and one more three-way structure, and what we are expecting, that could be the fourth wave. So either this could be a 1 2 and then 3 4 5, like that also it can shoot from here. So expecting the 17,200 to 17,300, the sell is not advised. We need to watch here, but I am expecting only the bullish scenario here. Means this is a longer term what I am talking about, bullish. So this is the invalidation zone for that what I'm expecting. So the Nifty, same as we discussed, it is not yet broken this high and not yet broken this low. So it is a consolidation, whether it could be a triangle or sometimes it could be a WX. Y is also completed, means again this could be the triangle, could be the another X, and Z can go up to that 18,200 also. So let's we complete this one. We will have to watch this wave formation, how it is forming, and then only we come to the conclusions. But the bigger pictures remains same bullish for me. And if the one structure is got completed, so either, see, we are all that Elliotian, right? So either there is a chances for making one more low, because what we kept this as a one correction is got completed, whether this could be the connecting wave and we are in the still bearish, means in my view, as I informed the previous itself in that 4-hour chart and in the daily chart, my view, it's a 1 2 3 4 and 5. After that the bigger third is completed, one more fourth wave and one more fifth wave to the 20,000 and above. But as I shown that my previous analysis, this could be 1 2 3 4 5, and each way is got bigger than the previous swing. So whether this could be the end of that trend, and then this would be a, see, 99% I'm not expecting that, but this is a financial market and we are not driving the market. Big institutions and big players are driving the market. So I hope this is the invalidation so far. Only if it breaks this, then that will be become a bearish. Until that, my target of 19,500 and the next target of 20,000, 21, near to the 21,000 is ahead, still ahead. So the next one stock for the investment, in my view, and I am already invested in that, is in one second. Oh, we already completed that. And Hindustan Composite. Here. So this is not as per the Elliott wave. This is looking like a structural wave view. So here what I'm expecting is one consolidation, it is going on, and sorry. So either this could be the triangle in the bullish, or it could be the bearish triangle in the intermediate wave of B or X. So I'm expecting this A, B, C, D and E is completed. So once it broke this 389, I'm expecting the next resistance zone is 550 to 600 zone. Otherwise, if it is in that formation of that B wave triangle, that means whether this could be the triangle of, this is a, so A, B, C, D, and one more E. If it is completed here, then this will become the B wave triangle intermediate, and one more C wave to break this low. So after this, this could be the WX and A, B, C to reach this 530 zone. So I am already in this at 320 level, and I'm expecting if it drop here to 20, the next accumulation zone for me here to average my position, and for my target of that 530 to 600 zone is my target. So if it is reached from here, and if it is already broken this high, means that is a possible scenario to reach that 535 to 600 range zone. Either it could be in 3-way structure, or it could be a 5-way structure also. So this is a longer term. Maybe it could, if it breaks this triangle of the bullish, if what we discussed here, so if it is a bullish, then it will reach immediately to that 530 to 550 or 600 zone also, the maximum. And what I'm expecting here, it's according to the fib expansion, this is the W, or this could be the X here. So the 786 is comes around the 530, and the one level is up around the 591. So I'm expecting these levels to book my profit partially, and then let me watch. Otherwise, if it is the B wave triangle, the bearish, if it reach nearly 220, the 786 around 450 only, and the next one level is 512. So wait for this, and then we will change our target according to this wave formation. So this is my view in that longer term, and I already invested in that, but I won't promote anything to anybody to invest. According to your strategy, you can do your invested according to your capital also. So hope you enjoyed, and have a lovely Sunday to everybody, and we will see you tomorrow at that for the pre-market predictions. Have a nice day. Bye.